My major task titling Belief is a diptych painting done using acrylic, leather, and wood shaving. The subject matters used are a harpy, one of Guyana's endangered birds, the harpy chick, and a human figure representing me as an individual. The two pieces are connected by a leather wrapping and a leather sculpture in the center of the painting. The harp eagle at the top right of the painting represents the spiritual side of the entire piece. The harp eagle representing my ancestors, um, which the courage and strength and the independence is shown by the talent of the harp eagle. As you come down to the bottom of the painting, you see a harpy chick there, which represents me fully as an individual. Like, still have to be nurtured to grow, and where you still depend on Mother Nature to have a life. And the figure there is placed in the position in the indigenous culture, like this the position that we sit in to listen to stories from all the elders. So yeah, that also shows like a material, like artly, more like something that is there, which in the harp eagle represents something spiritual. So the leather sculpture that connects the painting is an inspiration I got from a famous artist, Michelangelo's Sistine Chapel, The Creation of Adam. So this piece is done to show the religious side, like on the biblical side of things, the biblical theme of believing. So I have to add to the concept of my spiritual belief or my traditional heritage. So as you look like away from the painting, there is a circular form created by leather wrapping. This is to represent my zodiac sign, Pisces, or the yin and the yang. So this is also to show the two different dimensions, like the spiritual and the non-spiritual, like where you live in, the things that you depend on. So these two are not fully connected. The letter works are not connected to the other, but you create a tension between both sides, both dimensions. The aim of this piece was to bring awareness of the indigenous belief or their heritage of their ancestors, or the belief that the ancestors are somewhere out there. You still have this religious theme with it, and there's always someone superior, and like the knowledge is passed on to you, where you then think up on that and make it as what you want it to be then. And this is also done in honor of the passing of my grandfather, to show how strongly I connect to my heritage as an indigenous person.